Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code B0090 means there is a problem with the left frontal restraints sensor, subfault. This sensor is responsible for detecting a collision and deploying the airbags if necessary. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is illuminated on the dashboard. 2. Airbags may not deploy in the event of a collision. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose or damaged wiring to the left frontal restraint sensor. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and inspect the wiring harness for any damage. Repair or replace any damaged wiring and ensure all connections are secure. Faulty left frontal restraints sensor. Use a diagnostic scan tool to check for codes and sensor data. Inspect the sensor for physical damage or corrosion. Replace the left frontal restraint sensor if it is faulty or damaged. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.